Give your family happiness that only pizza can bring. And better yet, make it a personal pan size so they can make their own special pizza however they want it. No fighting, just happiness and excitement. This homemade sourdough pizza crust recipe is so easy and so delicious. You'll find your family begging for it every week. And you'll happily oblige because it's just so easy. By the way, I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org and your refrigerator eliminator, the I hate to cook master. And I've hacked the Martha Stewart rig system that has us locked in our kitchen for hours when there is a better way. Everything you need is in your pantry. No more hours of slicing and dicing. I show you how to make delicious quick meals for about $1 or $2, no hours of prep. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and I'll make sure that you never have to worry about dinner again. These personal pan sourdough pizza crusts are what dreams are made of. You can make them thick or thin, however you like. Here's everything you'll need. Sourdough starter, water, salt, olive oil, and flour. That's it. About 24 hours before you want to be eating your pizza, you'll need to start your dough. It takes 5 minutes, so don't even worry. Combine your starter, water, salt, and olive oil. Mix well. Add your flour until it forms a nice shaggy dough. Cover and let rise for 18 to 20 hours or until it's doubled. The next day, divide it into however many crusts you want. Roll them into dough balls and let them rise on an oiled pan for an hour covered. Preheat your oven to 450. Then flour your countertop or a large cutting board and roll out each pizza dough as thick or thin as you want it. Poke them with a fork and bake them for 5 to 10 minutes. This will not fully cook them, but it makes cooking a lot easier and a lot faster. So your family can get all their toppings on and bake for another 15 to 20 minutes more to finish their delicious personal pan pizza. The result, the most delicious, flavorful pizza crust you'll ever make that your family will go crazy for. Ready for movie night or game night? If dinner's been feeling like a never-ending burden, it's time to ditch the Martha Stewart ideals and follow me for more quick, shelf-stable meals, and visit loadedpotato.org to find recipes, meal plans, grocery lists, and all my favorite fridge-free recipes. And while you're there, use our auto grocery calculator to stock your pantry like a boss for tomorrow and 30 years from now. Just pick your meals and we'll calculate everything for you. You can even add it to your Walmart or Amazon fresh cart right from our site, all free. Never worry about dinner or any other meal again with loadedpotato.org. Till next time.